Hey everyone! In today's video, we will show you how to use NordVPN on Google Chrome with the browser extension. This is a quick and easy way to protect your browsing activity and change your virtual location. Let's get started. The NordVPN installation for Chrome is a lightweight and simple proxy extension that secures our browser's internet traffic. It works as a faster, browser-specific alternative to the full desktop VPN application. Using NordVPN on Chrome helps secure our browsing by encrypting internet traffic directly within the browser. It keeps our online privacy safe, hides our IP address, and lets us access restricted or geo-blocked websites without affecting other apps on the device. Now, let's move to the tutorial. We will guide you through each part, keeping it clear and easy to follow. First, open the browser. Go to nordvpn.com. When on the main page, look at the top part of the page and find the Download VPN option. Since we are using Chrome, select the extension option. You will see a Chrome extension here. Click on it. A pop-up window for installing the extension will show up. Click the Add Group button. You will be redirected to another page to confirm you want to add it to Chrome. Click Add to Chrome again. A pop-up window will confirm and add the extension. Once installed, we are ready to go. To find the extensions in Chrome, look at the upper right and find the Extensions logo. Click the Extensions logo, then click on NordVPN. To finish the setup, click Accept after reading the agreements and privacy policy. Then log in. Make sure there is already an account. Choose the account. Let's go back to the extension. Now, we connect using Quick Connect. Click Quick Connect to connect to the NordVPN Chrome extension. It will find a server, and now we are connected to NordVPN via Chrome. To stop using it, use the Disconnect button. Or to reconnect or choose different servers, use the Servers option. Feel free to explore the extension. That's how we use NordVPN on Chrome. With the extension enabled, we get quick protection and extra privacy while browsing the web. It's simple, fast, and works well for everyone. Just make sure it's turned on when needed and stay protected.